I'm going to go along the same line here with saying this overall hydroxide is -1. -2, that's +6, and that's -1. All right, now we have chromium and iodine, and I'm running out of space. All right, so chromium goes from +3 to +6, so that's a loss. So that's chromium CrO4 -2, and what it lost, 3 electrons. Yeah. Okay, reduction. That's iodine going from +5 to -1. That's a big change. IO3 minus. Here, how many did it gain? It would need to gain +5 to -1, 6. Okay, so now we need to balance oxygens. We balance oxygens 3 and 4, so we just need 1 water here. 3 and 0, 3 waters. Balance hydrogens. And I tend, you can probably see, to do both of my half reactions like at the same time as I'm doing things. If you're somebody that wants to do everything with 1 half reaction before moving on to the next one, totally fine. Okay, now we're in basic conditions, so we need to neutralize. Don't forget to add your hydroxides to both sides. That's the tricky part with basic that I tend to forget. Okay, so now we need to balance electrons. So this whole thing needs to be multiplied by 2. So that gives me 4 OH minus, 2 waters, 2 chromium 3 hydroxide, 2 chromates, 6 electrons. This makes 2 waters. We multiply it by 2, so that gives us 4 waters. This one is fine. So let's go ahead and carry that down. Remember, these are going to form water. So I'm going to start with my top reaction on the left. Plus, oh, hold on, 2 of those, 6 electrons, 4 waters. I just rewrote the same. Y'all probably just laughing at me. Why didn't she just copy the top reaction again? She forgot to go to the bottom. 6 waters, 1 iodate, 6 electrons. Okay, now we're ready for this. I minus, 3 waters, 6 OH minus. Cancel everything out. Electrons cancel. Good. Let's look at waters. 2 and 6, that's 8. And 7. Did I get that right? Did I miss some waters? I don't think so. Okay. Sorry, I just have to think about this here. I feel like I'm missing something. 2, 6, okay. Oh, I see what I did, what I missed. I see what I missed. My H pluses, that's what I missed. I only balanced these with water. I didn't balance them here. That's the problem. Okay. I was like, something just doesn't look right. Okay, so now, because I have 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5. So that means I need 5 of those, which means I have a total of 10 waters here. So that's 10. So instead of 4, it's 10. There we go. That's better now. I thought something wasn't working out right. Okay, so those go together. I balanced my oxygens right, but I didn't do the hydrogens. Okay, now we're ready to cancel out waters. Okay, so 8 waters go away, and this means I'm left with 5 waters. And electrons went away, and I'm left with, what, 2 hydroxides? Oh no, when I do that, this becomes a 5, this is a 10, so, oh, mess that up too. So this is a 10 OH minus versus 6. So those all go away, and this becomes, what, 4? All right, so now I have free hydroxide. 4 OH minus, ooh, that was a tough one. Mostly user error. Told you this why we do this in pencil. Also why it's good to have a partner. All right, so there's our final answer.